Hello friends and welcome to a very special TMR tour. Today we're looking at the Adventureland Suite inside the Disneyland Hotel.
Kiki's play the drums.
That doorbell greeting will make you feel welcome every time you enter. And there are 3 variations to give you different experiences. The main area of the suite is very spacious and includes a bar, guest bathroom, dining area, and lounge. The Hideaway TV is a nice feature and sits just above the fireplace. Throughout the room, there are various touch screens to control the lighting, television, and fireplaces. There's even a control panel for ambient music in the room, with 3 different tracks to choose from. Some of these panels also control the general lighting and fireplaces. In the main room, there's even a panel where you can pair your audio devices or connect external audio hardware. Not only are the details of this themed room amazing, they give you ample storage space throughout all of the rooms. Check out this hideaway closet behind the bookcase. Luggage rack included. This extravagant daybed makes for the most luxurious reading nook. Take a look at this Adventure Outpost desk. It's filled with treasures and artifacts from expeditions around the world. The guest bathroom is actually a full bathroom with a copper basin sink and a walk-in shower. If you wanted to do some entertaining, there's even a small bar as well. Amenities include a bar sink, microwave, a coffee maker, as well as a pull-out fridge. Check out this extremely unique peacock light fixture that's over 50 years old. The adjoining room is dressed to look like you're staying inside of a tent. Inside the tent, you'll see that all of the walls are covered in canvas The dressers are all made to look like shipping crates, and your desk kind of looks like a field desk that you'd see on expedition. The artwork in this room pulls from the original Jungle Cruise concept artwork. What's great about this bathroom is that there's even a double vanity that's very spacious so that you can spread out. In this bathroom, there are stone basin sinks as well as a tiled tub shower. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom and bathroom. The master bedroom has a sitting area with a grand fireplace, a canopy bed, and that's right, a clawfoot tub. In this room, you also have a hideaway television over the fireplace and a walk-in closet. The master bathroom is comprised of several rooms, the farthest being the water closet. In the middle, there's a double vanity with a makeup vanity in between, and then opposite the water closet is your walk-in shower. At first glance, it looks like a normal shower, but if you continue through, you get your own private steam shower with custom lighting options and different audio tracks. You can forget where you are if you spend too much time in the steam shower. Overall, this room went above and beyond all of our expectations. Highly detailed theming led to us looking around for a very long time, and we feel very lucky that we were able to take a look inside. We hope that you too have enjoyed this look at the Adventureland Suite at the Disneyland Hotel. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.